Hello friends, this is Dr. MiteshGala, presently teaching in Campaign School. Welcome to the online teaching resource.
Hi, we're getting into linear equations, the second exercise, that's 14b. Now, what is all this exercise all about? So, it's basically equations only, the linear equations, but with word problems. So, you will be given some English language. You'll have to convert that into mathematical language. That's called coding and decoding. Now, how are you going to do that? It's very, very important. So, please pay attention. There are some keywords which we should know very clearly what these keywords are, and once we know these keywords, after that working is going to be very, very simple. For example, for a plus sign, what are the keywords? So you can say add, total, very good. Then what else? More. Can I say extra, greater, bigger? Very good. What else? Greater, bigger, larger. Shabash. And yeah, these are few keywords. There would be more also. Some most important. Likewise, for a minus sign, we have some keywords. So subtract, reduce, less, smaller, lesser. Difference, very important word. Likewise, we have some words for multiplication. Product, of, 5 of, 6 of, quotient, very good. What else can be the words? Product, quotient, twice, thrice, times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, like that. For division, divide, ratio, upon, fraction. Yes, these are some of the words. And the most important is this equal to sign. So equals, then results, gives, totals. Totals is here also. I'll tell you how it works, don't worry. Then what else? Is, was, will be. Yeah, these are some major keywords. Now equal to is the most important one because it is called as the separator. It actually separates the LHS with the RHS. Now these words are more or less keywords, but it depends how you use it. For example, sum of two numbers is 5. So I will say let the smaller number be x or any number be x. So another number will be 5 minus x. See, instead of the word sum, I used minus sign. So it's not necessary if sum is there, you have to use plus only. It depends how you want to use it. Okay. I would say the difference between two numbers is 5. So the smaller number is x. So the bigger number is x plus 5. Difference between them is 5. So one number is 10. Another is 15. So I assume the smaller is x, bigger as x plus 5. If I say bigger is x, then the smaller will be x minus 5. So now your difference we have used as minus. So it completely depends where your start point is. Start point means what you are assuming as x. So we will keep a thumb rule. Always try and assume the smaller number as x. The bigger automatically will be plus. Most important are these words: product, twice, thrice, which is multiplication, and equals, gives, totals. Now total also can be this, and total can be this equal to sign also. So depending on how the sum is framed, we will decide what has to be done. Okay, so it's called as decoding of English into mathematical operations. So are we ready to do that? Let's begin with sum number 1. Everybody, 15 less than 4 times a number is 9. So the first thing you need to do is always assume a particular number as x or a quantity. Okay, and then we can build from there. So 15 less than 4 times a number is 9. So I am saying let the number be x. So if the number is x, okay, 15 less than 4 times. 4 times means 4 into x. Very good. So 4 times will be 4x, and 15 less, that means minus 15. Then our number is 9. Where is your separator? this is your separator. Is, I told you right in the beginning, you remember all these keywords? I would tell you, or rather recommend you, take a screenshot of this, put on your softboard, it will help you a lot. So see, is an equal to, or the separator. It tells us that before this whatever is there will be in the LHS, and after this whatever is there will be in the RHS. So separator, once you know, your sum becomes 50% easier. Okay, so 15 less 4 times a number is 9. Now let's solve this. So 4x, 15 goes on the other side, so we know 9 plus 15, so 4x is equal to 24. So x will be 24 by 4, and therefore you can say x is equal to 6. Don't leave your sum here in the end, right? Therefore the required number is 6. Always write your final statement. Since it's a word problem, you are expected to write the final answer. Likewise is sum number 2. Come on your own, pause the video, think how are you going to decode here. Okay, decode English into mathematics, and start point always is assumption. First assume, then begin. So Megha's age is increased by 3 times, the result is 60 years. So what is her present age? So what are you going to assume? So let Megha's present age be x years. So right now she is of x years. Now Megha's age is increased by 3 times. So right now the age is x. Increased means plus 3 times. So 3x. The result is, now here the word result is your separator, 60. So we can add one more new word in our dictionary for plus, that is increase. Just now we saw that here. Can you see increase? So increase 3 times. So Megha's present age increased by 3 times. So you have to add. Result is, so result was always an equal to, result is, both are separators, 60. Now solve this, very simple. Did you get it on your own? Actually, very good, keep it up. So 4x equals to 60. X is equal to 60 by 4. So x is equal to 15. Therefore Megha's present age is 15 years. Isn't it very simple? It is. Trust me, you should just know the knack of converting English into maths, and your life is going to be very simple. Trust me, it's going to be very simple. Let's try one more. On to sum number 5. Come on, everyone, without my help, pause the video and try and see how far can you take this. 15 more, so more you know is plus, 3 times is multiplication. Neetu's age is, so is your separator. Always put a box. So before this everything in the LHS, after this everything in the RHS. Is same as 4 times her age. So what are you going to assume? Present age. So let Neetu's present age be x years. So right now she is of x years. 15 more than 3 times. So 3 times will be 3x. 15 more, so plus 15. Is, that becomes your separator. 4 times her age. 4 times product. So 4 into x. Her age is x years, because we have assumed that her age is x. Solve it. So you'll have 15 is equal to x. Ha! Nothing had to be done and you got your answer straight away. Therefore Neetu's present age is 15 years. Don't you think that's very simple? Yes, it is. So trust me, understand part by part, break it, you will get it. Alright, let's go to the next one, sum number 6. Come on, try on your own without my help at all. Number decreased by 30 is same as 14 decreased by 3 times. First find your separator. Is same as is your separator. So before this everything LHS, after this right hand side. And what are you going to assume? The number. So let the required number be x. Now number decreased by 30. So that means x is decreased by 30. Is same as, so equal to 14 decreased by 3 times the number. So 3 times the number, 14 decreased. Always decreased will come later. Although they write it first, but it's written behind. Number decreased by 30. This comes behind. 14 decreased comes behind. 3 times, so 3x. So now I will have 3x minus x and minus 30 plus 14. So the difference is going to be minus 16 is equal to 2x. So according to me, the number is minus 8. I'm not very sure if my answer is correct. Can I just look at it so that I don't teach you something that is wrong? So just give me a moment. Let me check if my answer is correct. This is exercise 14a and we were on sum number 6. Please tell us if it is correct. It is wrong. Number decreased by 30 is same as 14 decreased by 3 times the number. Okay. So this x comes here, 14 goes on the other side, so we got minus 16 and here we got 2x. So I don't know what have we gone wrong with. The answer is 11. So we'll have to rethink again. Number decreased by 30 is same as 14. Oh, 14 decreased by 3 times the number. See what a lovely mistake have we done. 14 is decreased by 3 times and we decreased 3 times by 14. It has to be ulta of this. My bad, sorry. So again, x minus 30 is the same as 14 decreased by 3x. I'm happy that we did this mistake so that you understood and you do not do the same mistake in the exam. Okay. So x plus 3x and 14 plus 30. So 4x 44. So x is 44 by 4 and therefore x is equal to 11. So therefore required number is 11. Clear now? This is wrong, right? This is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Because it said 14 decreased by 3 times the number. 14 decreased by. So 14 decreased by 3 times the number. Now do you understand? My bad, I'm sorry. Let's go to the next one, sum number 8. This time I'm determined, I don't want to do any mistakes. Let's see. Separate 178 into 2 parts, so that the first part is 8 less than twice the second part. So 2 parts. So you will say let one part be x. So if one part is x out of 178, let's whenever you get confused, take that x as a number. Let's say the number is 10. So one number is 10. What will be the other number? 168. Means you're going to subtract it. Exactly the same thing you're going to do. Therefore, other part is going to be 178 minus whatever we have assumed. So this is the first part, this is the second part. Okay. Now read it carefully so that the first part, that is x, is 8 less. This is less. Then twice the second part. Twice the second part. This is more. Okay. So whatever is more we are writing first and that too twice. Twice the second part. So second part ka double. 178 minus x. And this is less. First part is 8 less. So minus the first part, what will be the answer? 8. Once again, twice the second part is less than the first part by 8. I repeat. Divide this into 2 parts. So we took it as x and 178 minus x. So that the first part is 8 less. First part is 8 less. Then twice the second part. So when I subtract these 2 parts, what will I get is 8. Got it? Repeat the sum again if you not followed. It's a very good question. Put a star besides it and then start solving. So 16, 14, 15, 2 and 1, 3 minus 2x minus x equals to 8. So I'll get minus 3x. This goes on the other side, 356 negative. So minus 3x negative 348 if I am not wrong. So x should be minus 348 by minus 3. 3 ones are 6 are. So the first part is 116. So you say therefore one part is equal to 116 and the other part will be 178 minus 116. So that gives us 2 and 62, is it? So we got the two answers as 116 and 62. Please don't tell me I'm wrong this time. Let me just confirm it. We are correct. Ha! What a sigh of relief. Let's go with the next one. Sum number 10. Do it yourself. You will 100% get it. Remember, perimeter means the total of all the sides. The formula is twice length plus breadth. Length is twice as width, which is the smaller quantity. We decided always smaller to be as x. So length is double of width. Width is the smaller one. So we'll say let width be x. Therefore, what will be your length? Twice of that. So 2x. Therefore, perimeter, they said, is 54. So perimeter is twice length plus breadth. So perimeter is 54. Let this 2 go down. Length is 2x and breadth is only x. Simple, isn't it? So you can use even geometry stuff to solve with algebra. So this is typically geometry question we're trying to solve with algebra. So let's try it further. So 27 3x. So x is equal to 9. So therefore the width is x, which will be 9 centimeters, and length is double of that. So 2 into 9, which will be 18 centimeters. Easy? Are you all getting all these sums? Brilliant. So sum number 10, we got it as 18 centimeters. They had asked us the length. We found the length as well as the width. The next one, sum number 11. This is again based on the same type. That's why I picked up both of them. So come on, try it. Rectangle's length is 5 centimeter, less than twice its width. So obviously width is going to be smaller one. So we'll say let the width be x. Now rectangle's length is 5 centimeter less. Oh, then twice the width. So if width is x, length will be 5 less but twice the width. So 2 times minus 5. Are you getting this? So if this is x, this is going to be double and then minus 5. Further, if the length is decreased by 5 and width increased by 2, so new length decreased by 5, so new length, so 2x minus 5 minus 5, so it will be 2x minus 10 centimeters. Okay, and new width, so they said width is increased by 2, so right now the width is x, increased by 2, so plus 2. So you have to go part by part. I have broken this into 3 parts rather. First, to assume rectangle's length is 5 less than twice the width, so length twice minus 5. Then length decreased by 5, so this decreased by 5. Width increased by 2, so increased by 2. So we got the new length, new width. Now the perimeter, so we shall say perimeter twice length plus breadth. So perimeter is 74 divided by 2. Length, new one, don't take the old one. 2x minus 10 and breadth x plus 2. Now solve this, 100% you will get the correct answer. So 37 3x minus 8. So I will get 3x, 8 goes on the other side, so 45. So x should be 15. So I managed to get the width. You have to find both. So you will say therefore width is equal to 15 centimeters and length 2x minus 5. So 2 into 15 minus 5, that will be 30 minus 5. So 25 centimeters. Got it? Interesting sums these are. You will love them once you understand the connect. The connect is very simple. You have to convert English into mathematics. That's it. How to decode? I gave you the chart right in the beginning. Just stick to that chart and your life will be very, very simple. Take a screenshot now if you've not taken and put on your softboard. Let's go with the next one. Sum number 13. 13 is a very simple sum. You have to make a small chart. Past, present, future, man and sun. Because there is a comparison between man and the sun. Now just fill the chart on your own. Read the question carefully. I am 100% sure you will manage it. Man's age is 3 times that of the sun. So obviously sun is smaller. So let sun's present age be x years. Man is 3 times. So that will be 3x years. Simple. In 12 years time. In 12 years means we are going into future 12 years from now. So man will be x plus 12 years. And man will be 3x plus 12 years. Sun will be x plus 12 years. Now this is the man and this is the sun. Okay. Now what is the condition? In 12 years, he will be, he matlab man, will be. You remember what is will be? You don't remember? C, will be equals. So that's your separator. So man will be twice as old as the sun. So twice the age of the sun after 12 years. So we are taking both the ages after 12 years. Got it? Did I make it simple for you? It's really simple if you understand it part by part. First we took their present ages, then we went into the future, and then whatever the condition was there, we put that condition here. Just very simple. The last sum is exactly same. Promise me you're going to do it on your own. Come on, let's solve this. So 3x plus 12, 2x plus 24. X coming on this side, 12 goes on this side. So therefore son's present age is 12 years, which is x, and man's present age is equal to 3x. So that will be 3 into 12, 36 years. Easy? Brilliant. Let's go to the next one, sum number 15. Put a star besides it. It's one of the interesting question. It's with time, distance and speed. So you should always know that distance is equal to speed into time. Now the story is, a car has gone from this place to this place, covering a distance of 136 kilometers in 8 hours. Initially the speed was 15, then the speed was 18. Your question is, how much is the distance from this point to this point, that is at the rate of 18 ka speed pe, what was the distance traveled? So the total distance is 136. This distance, if you assume x, and this distance will be 136, that is the full minus x. Do you understand this basics? So we'll say let the distance at the rate 18 kilometers per hour be x kilometers. Therefore, at the rate 15 kilometers per hour will be 136 minus x kilometers. Because the full is 136. If this green line is x, then the blue line will be 136 minus x. Simple as that. Okay. Now we got both the distances. We have the total time and we got their speeds. So we will say total time is equal to time at the rate of 15 plus time at the rate of 18. Correct? That will be the total time. Now total time they said is 8 hours. Now time we don't have at the rate of 15, but we have the formula. We said distance is equal to speed into time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So here we'll take the distance upon speed at the rate of 15 plus distance upon speed at the rate of 18. So 8. What is the distance at the rate of 15? So at the rate of 15 the distance is 136 minus x. What is the speed? Obviously 15. Likewise, the distance at the rate 18 we said is x upon the speed is 18. Solve it and you will get the value of x, that is the distance at the rate of 18. Once again, total distance 136, we have to find this distance, the green line. So we assumed it as x. So the other distance becomes 136 minus x. Total time 8 hours, which is time at the rate of 15 at the rate of 18. Formula लगाया distance upon speed, इसका distance by speed, इसका distance by speed, total time 8 hours. Come on, solve it now. 15 into 18, you'll have to take the LCM, which is 90. So multiply each term by 90. So 720. 15 ones are 15 6 times. So 136 minus x. 18 ones are 18 5 times. So 5x. Am I correct? 8 5s are 40, 90 correct. 30, yeah, that's correct. So 720, 6 6 are 36. 18, 19, 20, 21, so 2, 6, 7, 8 minus 6x plus 5x. So here, pushing this on the other side, 720 minus 816, the difference is only negative x. Here the difference, I guess, 96 minus x. So therefore x is equal to 96 kilometers. So this is the distance, the green line that has been traveled at the speed of 18. So you say therefore 96 kilometers traveled at the speed of 18 kilometers per hour. Got it? Don't forget to write the final answer. Otherwise 1 mark will be lost straight away. Put a star besides this sum. Very good question. Let's go with the next one, 16th. The difference of two numbers is 3. So assume the smaller number as x. So bigger will be x plus 3. Super. So you say smaller number be x. Therefore larger number will be, its difference is 3, so the larger becomes x plus 3. Difference of their squares, so you'll have to take the larger one first. So larger ka square minus the smaller ka square. Difference of their squares is the separator 69. Come on, solve it now. You have to remember this trick. The larger has to come first. If you've written x square first, you screwed the entire sum. So x square 6x plus 9 minus x square 69. This gets cancelled. I get 6x 69 minus 9, 6x 60, x is equal to 10. So therefore the two numbers are, if the first one is 10, the next one will be 13 because the difference is 3 between the two numbers. Got it? Simple. Are you yourself getting shocked that how you are able to manage these sums? Don't get shocked. You are using your logic now because you are able to convert English into mathematics. Trust me, these are all simple sums. Let's go with the next one, 18th. 3 consecutive numbers. Consecutive means one after the other. For example, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14. So if you take first consecutive as x, the next one is 1 more than this, so x plus 1, and the next one will be 2 more than this, so x plus 2. So these are your 3 consecutive numbers, x, x plus 1, x plus 2. If they tell you 2 consecutive numbers, then x plus 1. So it depends, okay? If divided by, so the first number is divided by 5, the next number is divided by 3, and the next number is divided by 4. Sum of their quotient. Now this is the quotient. What you get after dividing is the quotient. So this is the quotient itself. Sum of their quotients. That means this plus this plus this is equal to 40. That is the sum of their quotients. So take the LCM. 5 3s are 15, 4s are 90, I guess, is it? 12, 60, sorry. So let's take the LCM with each term 60. Don't forget to multiply on the RHS, okay? So 5 ones are 5, 12s are, 3 ones are 3, 20 times, and 4 ones are 4, 15 times. This side I will get 2400. So 12x, 20x plus 20, 15x plus 30 equals to 2400. So 12, 20, 15, 20, 30, 47x. 2400 minus 50. So my x is going to be 2350 divided by 47. So let me see if I can cancel it. I think 5 times 5 times are 35. Yes, correct. So the first number is 50. 3 consecutive numbers. Next one 51. Next one 52. So you'll say therefore 3 consecutive numbers are 50, 51 and 52. How many of you all managed to get this on your own without cheating? Pat yourself. I'm proud of you. Write it in the comment section and let me know. I will be very happy with that. Last question, sum number 19. Okay, 20th also is there, not last. Okay, added to, okay, there is a particular number added to this, they are in proportion. Proportion means one above the other, one ratio equal to the second ratio. They are called as proportion. So you say let the required number be x. So added to 5, that means x plus 5. Added to 11, so x plus 11 equals to 15 and 31. See, this is one ratio. This is one ratio. This is the second ratio. When both the ratios are equal, it is called proportion. So number added with these numbers, it becomes in a proportion. That's the logic. Now cross multiply. We have done this type in the first exercise. So don't disappoint me. Do not cheat and on your own start solving it. Pause right now. So x square, 36x, 153, 155. X square, 26x and 165. So x square gets cancelled. 36x minus 26x, 165 minus 155. So 10x 10, x is equal to 1. Therefore required number is equal to 1. Simple, isn't it? Very simple. So that's what you need to understand, what these logics are. Once you know them, you can crack anything. Let's go to the last question, sum number 20. You promised me you're going to do this on your own. So come on. Present age of man twice that of the sun. So sun is x, man is twice x. The table is very important. 8 years hence. So plus 8 years. In future we are going. So 2x plus 8 and x plus 8. 8 years hence, their ages will be in this ratio. That means man divided by the sun, the ratio will be 7 by 4. Come on, hit it now. So 4 2s are 8, 32, 7x, 56. So x goes on the other side. I will get this as 14 or 24. Sorry, my bad. So therefore, am I correct? 30, 40, 50, 56. Correct. Therefore, sun's age is 24 years and man's age will be twice of 24, that is 48 years. Got it? Brilliant. I am sure most of you all enjoyed this exercise. Please let me know that in the comment section. Homework. Sum number 3, 7, 9, 12, 14, 17, 20. Please do this homework on your own. Honestly, it will help you a lot. You should not expect everything from me. Unless you do not do self-study, you will never gain confidence. Till the next video, please take care, stay safe, pray for everyone and be honest. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do write your math experience in the comment section. Thank you.